Jeep brand announces the European debut of the new Grand Cherokee 4xe. Just 4 months after its world premiere last September, the new Jeep-registered Grand Cherokee 4xe now features in an exclusive pre-booking initiative in Italy, France, Germany, Spain, the United Kingdom, Austria, Belgium, Luxembourg, and the Netherlands. Visitors to the dedicated website can be among the first to discover the new Jeep Grand Cherokee 4xe exclusive launch edition and can express their interest in being contacted when the vehicle is available in dealerships. 4xe plug-in hybrid technology. The arrival of the Jeep Grand Cherokee 4xe is also a significant moment in the brand's evolution and another piece in the jigsaw of the strategy to electrify the entire lineup. It consolidates the 4xe badge as authentic Jeep branding to represent the new 4X4 and its ability to combine renowned capabilities with greater sustainability, exemplary efficiency, and even more safety and driving pleasure. The application of 4xe plug-in hybrid technology to the Jeep Grand Cherokee gives the brand's flagship benchmark off-road capabilities, courtesy of the instantaneous availability of torque performance, guaranteed by the combination of the two propulsions, turbo petrol and electric, and of course the option to drive with zero CO2 emissions. The most technologically advanced, luxurious Grand Cherokee ever with legendary 4X4 performance. The fifth generation of the Jeep Grand Cherokee, the SUV that has received more awards than any other, features a new architecture, the 4xe plug-in hybrid powertrain, a new exterior design, and a new interior made with quality craftsmanship and cutting-edge technologies. As the leading SUV brand in terms of off-road performance continues its journey towards a future of zero-emission freedom, the new model is presented as the most technologically advanced Jeep Grand Cherokee with the best 4X4 performance ever. Equipped with state-of-the-art systems, the Jeep Grand Cherokee has been designed in its entirety to offer unparalleled off-road capabilities and safe driving dynamics. The QuadraDrive 2 4X4 drive systems, QuadraLift air suspension and the Select-Terrain traction management system, offering a choice among 5 driving modes, auto, snow, sand/mud, rock, and sport, ensure the Grand Cherokee retains the Jeep brand's legendary 4X4 capabilities. Jeep-registered Grand Cherokee 4xe exclusive launch edition, the flagship that sets new standards in the segment. The launch version of the Jeep Grand Cherokee 4xe stands out for its wide-ranging specification as standard. The lightweight alloy wheels polished painted measure 21-inch for the first time on a Grand Cherokee and enhance the broader track, while the diamond black roof in contrast with the bodywork defines its lowered line and emphasizes the rear spoilers on the vertical pillar. The model comes in one of 4 exterior paint colors, diamond black, bright white, velvet red, Baltic gray, all with a black roof and embellished with platinum chrome details. Craftsmanship and functional beauty are also the basis for the interior, the standout features of which include walnut accents and door/seat upholstery in Palermo leather. The driver and passenger seats can be electrically adjusted into 16 positions, are equipped with lumbar support and memory function, and also offer a massage function built into the backrest. The rear seats are also heated and ventilated. The front fascia houses the new, slimmer vents of the air conditioning system, with 4 zones, to guarantee exceptional comfort for all passengers, a new center console, wireless charging system and 10-inch digital screens, for the digital instrument panel and radio touchscreen, as well as an exclusive 10.25-inch interactive display for the passenger in front. The Jeep-registered Grand Cherokee 4xe exclusive launch edition also offers the 950-watt Macintosh sound system with 19 speakers. One of the finest in the world, it uses the same technology as Macintosh home systems. The magnets and coils in the speakers produce a unique sound, without even a hint of distortion or lower quality. To create an environment tailored to your taste, the real innovation is the full suite of customizable interior LED lights with day/night settings and an ambient lighting system with the option to choose between 5 colors. The new Grand Cherokee sports more high-tech specifications than it ever has. As standard, the exclusive launch edition comes with new Level 2, L2, active driving assist, with which drivers still need to keep their hands on the steering wheel and eyes on the road, the new 10-inch color head-up display, HUD, in the windscreen, an exclusive screen for the front passenger for navigation, camera image display and entertainment, and the new digital rear mirror. Also fitted are full LED headlamps and parallel and perpendicular park assist, which makes parking maneuvers much simpler, plus night vision camera and full-speed forward collision warning with pedestrian and cyclist detection. Superior connectivity in-car and on your smartphone, the debut of the latest suite of services. Jeep registered Grand Cherokee 4xe Exclusive Launch Edition is the best connected model ever, courtesy of Uconnect Trademark 5, the most advanced Uconnect system ever, with 4 10-inch digital displays. The system includes a full built-in toolkit to manage and make the mobility experience extremely intuitive, via the suite of Uconnect Trademark services available both on the Uconnect Trademark 5 system and on the revamped Jeep app. The advanced connectivity of the Grand Cherokee 4xe has been developed to meet customers' varying requirements and to simplify the 4xe experience in all driving conditions, with a suite of services to control many of the vehicle's features, remotely and comfortably. Thanks to the Jeep registered mobile app, customers can quickly and easily manage vehicle status, search for charging stations, receive support in the event of any difficulties, emergencies, or attempted theft. Furthermore, customers can always be informed about vehicle maintenance through monthly reports via email. The Uconnect TM Services suite includes connected services dedicated to electrified driving and advanced connectivity, including My Assistant, My Car, My Remote, My eCharge, My Navigation, and the optional My Wi-Fi and My Alert packages. With Grand Cherokee, many new services are making their debut, including Jeep registered off-road pages on the mobile app, even more advanced remote controls, the Eco Score to monitor driving style, and much more.